Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Maria. I do DIYs, hauls, reviews and more. So if you love to craft and do budget friendly home decor, you should definitely subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified every time I upload. Today I will be sharing with you 4 Father's Day gift ideas. My first DIY is this dad's BBQ sign. This turned out so nice and it looks so high-end, and it cost me less than $5 to make. I will be using 4 of the large paint sticks. This wall mount rack I got from Dollar Tree. This is the bigger one. I ended up switching it to the smaller one. And I will be using 2 of the smaller paint sticks. For the words, I will be using wood letters and poster sticker letters I got from Dollar Tree. The first thing I will be doing is cutting the handle part off the paint sticks and cutting the smaller ones. And because this is actually going to be a gift, I am going to use some wood glue so it can be sturdy. I didn't use any hot glue for this. To secure it some more, I will be gluing the smaller pieces to the back. I let it dry for 2 hours and then I paint it using the Waverly antique wax. Before I add the wall mount, I will be transferring these utensils I print out from Pinterest. I'm going to scribble the back and then trace them. I will be adding the wall mount first before I paint it, but I'm going to add some extra small pieces from the paint stick to the back so it's thick enough for the nails. No, they're not nails, the screws I'm gonna use. And I switched the screws. These come with a wall mount or long. I had some smaller ones, so that is what I'll be using. But before I drill them, I'm going to make holes so like that it doesn't break. I'm going to paint the word barbecue, and I don't have any white poster sticker letters, so I decided I wanted to paint these white, and I'll be painting them using the white acrylic paint. Now I will be adding the words to the sign. The poster stickers have adhesive already, and the word barbecue, I did have to use some hot glue. Now I'm going to paint the utensils using the white acrylic paint. I decided to add some Mod Podge to the letters just to secure them some more. And because this will be an outdoor sign, I'm going to spray paint it using this clear spray paint I got from Lowe. This is going to protect it. I added these picture hangers and this paper to the back. My second DIY is this beautiful picture frame. From Dollar Tree, I will be using some wood letters, and from Michael's, this picture frame, this cost me $1. This DIY is so easy and simple to do. I'm going to remove the plastic from the picture frame, and then I'm going to paint this using the antique wax. I'm going to add number 1 dad, and to make the symbol I will be using a small paintbrush and white paint. I didn't have a 1, so I made one out of the letter T. I then painted the letters using the white acrylic paint and then glued them to the sign with hot glue. And that is it. All you have to do is just add a picture to it. I absolutely love how this turned out, and it was so easy and so inexpensive to make. My third DIY is another picture frame. This one says Daddy and Us, or you can put Daddy and Me. But for this DIY, I will be using one of the 8x10 canvas from Dollar Tree. And I will be using 10 paint sticks, and these are from Lowe's. 10 come in a pack for $1. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the staples and the canvas from the frame. Next, I'm going to measure the sticks to the size of the frame because I'm going to cut them using my handsaw. Next, I'm going to glue all of the sticks to the frame, but in order for them to fit, the first one I did have to glue it like halfway out, so like that all 10 can fit in the picture frame. Once I am done gluing all of them, I'm going to paint it using the Waverly antique wax. I did this last week and I lost some of my footage. I was cleaning up my phone, but all I did was I scribbled the back of the paper and then I flipped it around and traced the letters because I will be transferring the words, and I used the app Pic Collage and the font name is King Basil. After that, I painted the words with the white acrylic paint and added this little clip to hook a picture, and that is it. My fourth and final DIY is this sign I will be giving to my brother. I will be using 2 pieces of wood I already had, And I'm going to use wood glue to glue these because this sign will be going outdoors. And I'm also using two other pieces. These are actually paint sticks. I'm going to add them to the back just for extra support. And to paint this, I will be using this exterior stain. I got it from Lowe. I'm going to sand the wood before I give this one coat of this stain. I am going to let this dry for about 5 hours before I do anything. The next thing I will be doing is I'm going to trace the word bar, and I'm using these poster letters. I got these from Walmart a while back. I'm also transferring his nickname, by the way. This is his nickname. And I print this out from the app Pic Collage, and the font name is King Basil. I then transfer the word and then I paint it using the white acrylic paint. And this is how it looks. I think I like it better like that before I added them bottles in the middle. But I hope he likes it. The next thing I did was I had this little bottle, so it kind of looked like a beer. It's actually a wine bottle. And all I did was trace this and then paint it over it with the white acrylic paint. By the way, I did go over it with the spray paint that is for the outside so it can protect it. So that is it for this bar sign. I hope he likes it, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and see you next time.